Hello, I am Rajendra Singh, Director Clinical Pharmacology Modeling and Simulation at GSK. On behalf of my co-authors, I am presenting comparison of relative bioavailability of TVK neonatal liquid formulation to pediatric dispersible tablet. For more information on this study, I can be contacted at my email address mentioned on this slide. The development of appropriate formulation is critical for drug development in pediatrics. The age appropriate formulation, weight appropriate formulation, and an acceptable formulations are needed to deliver variable yet accurate dose in pediatrics. Neonate represents an unique subgroup with multiple challenges. These challenges are because of underlying complexity of pharmacology resulting from organ development, metabolic function development, etc. This can lead to altered pharmacokinetics even when compared to youngest children. This can further lead to underdosing or overdosing, resulting into loss of efficacy or safety complications. Thus, a tailored dosage form or formulation is necessary to deliver drugs to neonates precisely. My today's talk focuses on results of relative bioavailability study for 2-dolutegravir prototype formulation for neonates under development. Dolutegravir is an integrase inhibitor approved in adults as well as in adolescents to treat HIV-1 infection. It is also approved in children weighing at least 3 kg and at least 4 weeks of age in US. For pediatric subject, alternate lower strength formulations were developed for patients at least 4 weeks of age. These formulations were either film-coated tablets or dispersible tablets. Film-coated tablets were of two strength, 10 mg and 25 mg, while dispersible tablets were only for 5 mg. To administer dolutegravir to neonates, two lipid-based formulations are being developed. Prototype formulation A is 5 mg per ml suspension of DTG in migliol. Prototype formulation B is 2 mg per ml DTG solution in glycerol. This study evaluates pharmacokinetics and oral bioavailability of these two liquid formulations and compares them with dispersible tablet following single dose administration to healthy participants. This relative bioavailability study was designed as single dose, non-randomized, three-way fixed sequence study with an option to add additional periods in healthy adult participant age 18 to 55 years. 3 periods in this study received either prototype formulation A, prototype formulation B, or reference formulation, which is dispersible tablet. A total of 10 mg DTG was administered either as 2 ml of migliol formulation, which is prototype A, 5 ml of glycerol formulation, which is prototype B, or 2 5 mg dispersible tablet as a reference. As shown in figure, in period 1, subject received prototype A followed by washout for 7 days. After washout, they received 2 tablets of 5 mg dispersible tablet as reference, followed by in period 3, prototype B formulation was administered. A total of 18 subjects were planned initially, but total of 22 subjects were enrolled. This slide shows demographic of the participants. The mean age in year was approximately 31. Mean weight was 79 kg. None of the participants were from Hispanic or Latino origin, and most of the participants were white. Although the protocol permitted the enrollment of women of non-childbearing potential, all 22 participants enrolled in this study were male. Moving on to result from this study, table on left shows key pharmacokinetic parameters following administration of two test formulation and reference dispersible tablet formulation. Cmax was marginally higher for glycerol formulation followed by migliol formulation and dispersible tablet formulation. area under curve from 0 to infinity were also comparable between two test formulation and reference formulation. All the parameters shown in this table represented as geometric mean and %CV. AUC 0 to infinity for dispersible tablet was approximately 13 microgram hour per ml. For migliol formulation it was approximately 13, and for glycerol formulation it was slightly higher, approximately 15 microgram hour per ml. Figure on right shows concentration time profile for three formulation. Pink curve represent glycerol formulation, orange curve represent migliol formulation, and blue curve represent mean reference dispersible tablet formulation. This slide shows comparison of test formulations with reference. The results are presented as geometric mean least square ratios and 90% confidence bound for test to reference. In column 1, PK parameters to be compared are listed, while in column 2 and 3, results from comparison of two test formulations are presented. Column 2 represents comparison for migliol formulation, again which is 5 mg suspension of dolutegravir in migliol. Results showed that ratios for AUC as well as Cmax are close to 1, and 90% confidence intervals are within bioequivalence range of 0.8 to 1.25. Similarly for glycerol, geometric mean ratios and 90% confidence bound for AUC 0 to T as well as 0 to infinity are within bioequivalence limit, while Cmax was higher as upper 90% confidence bound is outside the bioequivalence range, or it is greater than 1.25, which is upper range for bioequivalence limit. The comparison shows migliol formulation has similar bioavailability to dispersible tablet, while AUCs were similar for glycerol formulation. Cmax was slightly higher for glycerol formulation as compared to dispersible tablet. To conclude, bioavailabilities for two neonatal formulation under development, 5 mg per ml DTG suspension in migliol as well as 2 mg per ml DTG solution in glycerol were comparable to DTG dispersible tablet, which is approved in pediatric subject at least 4 weeks of age and weighing at least 3 kg. Slightly higher Cmax was observed for glycerol formulation. Based on the results from this relative bioavailability study, no dose adjustment is needed in neonates. Both the formulations were well tolerated following single dose administration in healthy adult subjects. Migliol formulation was chosen for further development based on the volume to be administered in neonates. Thank you for your attention.